Hey guys, I am Annie Matthew from NaturalGain.com and you are listening to episode number 13 of Men's Health Problems and Solutions, and today I am going to discuss natural ways to stop sperm discharge during sleep. Let's talk about a commonly asked question by males. I am having frequent nightfall that occurs 2 to 3 times a week. Now its side effects are affecting my health very badly. How to restore health and vitality. Before discussing treatment, we will talk about nightfall. Nightfall affects a large percentage of males. Nearly 80% of males once in their lifetime face episodes of nightfall. At a young age, the body is not ready and wise to handle activities of youth hormones which begin to get secreted to bring puberty. These hormones make the genital region sensitive and also promote growth in the size of testicles and male organ. This sensitivity brings fantasies, and young boys begin to imagine sex and noticing members of the opposite gender. At night during REM sleep, the thoughts and imaginations of the day can bring erotic dream which results in nightfall. Sometimes a dream is absent and brushing of bed sheets, pillows, etc. against groin region causes erection and excitement to end up with nocturnal emission. If nocturnal emissions occur occasionally, these are not things to worry about, but once these cross their limits can be very debilitating and hazardous. Proper nightfall treatment can be of immense use in handling the problem and not only stop nightfall quickly but also prevent them from occurring in the future. Males have sperm stored in the testicle bag and the prostate gland produces seminal fluids. When a male is excited, sperms are allowed to leave a testicle bag and reach the urethra. The prostate produces seminal fluids and also transfers them to the urethra where they get mixed with sperms to form semen. Nerves control the release of semen out of the tip of the male organ and wait for the brain's instruction to allow it to happen. Till the brain does not instruct ejaculation, semen is held back in the urethra, but males having weak and sluggish nerves are unable to enjoy this liberty and allow semen to pass out easily. Many males have prostate problems like congested or swollen prostate gland. This causes fluid buildup and on slight excitement, semen dribbles out of the male organ. Arousals without ejaculation during the day and frequent excitement through erotic conversations, material, and movies, etc. causes fluid accumulation in the urethra which passes out during sleep at night. Herbal treatment to stop sperm discharge during sleep. Herbal nightfall treatment not only stops nocturnal emissions but also addresses all these causes to provide relief. Frequent wet dreams are harmful because males lose semen regularly and their reproductive system is pushed beyond its endurance limit. In a short period of time, this regular strain stresses the reproductive system out and harms a male's potency and virility. Regular loss of semen along with the reproductive system also causes strain over other organs and cause general debility. Regular loss of semen demands a higher supply of zinc which is produced by the liver. Frequent nightfall causes distressed liver by pushing it to produce zinc on regular basis. Poor liver functions can be a source of many types of debilities and disorders which deteriorate the quality of male's life. Herbal nightfall treatment not only provides relief from nocturnal emissions but also reverse damage caused by it. Herbs address all the possible causes of the problem and treat deficiencies, weaknesses, and disorders caused by the problem to provide a male optimum vitality and virility. Fall and Maha Rasayan capsules are wonderful herbal remedies to stop nightfall in men. These possess herbs which have been used since ancient times to provide male control over his discharge and improve his virility and vitality. Fall capsules come loaded with herbs like Kesar, Swarnabang, Long, Pipal, Jaifal, Banslakan, Tankari, Ramadandi, Shatavari, Dridranga, Ashwagandha, Laubasma, Conch, Bahara, Shilajit and Babul extract. Kesar, Ashwagandha, Jaifal, Conch, and Bahara are boon for the powerful and healthy nervous system, improve hormonal balance and secretion, supplement nutrition and improve libido. These herbs keep semen locked during sleep and treat all sorts of involuntary ejaculation. These herbs energize the male reproductive system and eradicate weaknesses and debilities which occur due to aging, bad eating habits, lifestyle, and other problems. Males, by gaining energized nerves, reproductive system, and healthy hormonal balance, are able to stop sperm discharge during sleep and also treat psychological issues and sexual disorders which affect the quality of male's love life. There are other herbs in fall capsules like Swarnabasma, Long, Shatavari, Laubasma and Shilajit which are nutritive and aphrodisiac and also rejuvenate entire health. These provide higher support to all the vital systems of the body, cleanse the digestive tract and blood and enhance the strength and health of tissues and organs of the body. These also help in improving reproductive system functions and enhance nerve functions. The ingredients of fall capsules improve immunity system and keep health protected and also reduce the intensity of health conditions which negatively affect nerves and reproductive system. These promote testicular functions and also provide a healthy prostate gland, and these herbs are supportive for improved liver functions as well. These remove deficiencies of vital minerals, treat anemia and various metabolic disorders which improve overall energy and vitality of a male, stop nightfall in men and keep his nervous and reproductive system healthy. Fall and Maha Rasayan capsules can be used by males of any age without worrying about side effects. These are powerful natural remedies to stop sperm discharge during sleep and improve male health significantly. You can buy Fall and Maha Rasayan capsules online from naturalgain.com. You will get these herbal pills and oil straight to your door in discreet packaging within 10 to 15 business days once you complete your order through the website. Do you have any health queries or question regarding our herbal products? Leave a comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. We are always there to help you. Thank you for listening to me. Follow me to listen to the next episode of Men's Health Problems and Solutions. Bye and have a good day. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.